Hi, this is Sahana. In our today's session, we are going to see how to combine two arrays without duplicate values. I have created console application. I will remove this line and I will create integer array and I will name it as numbers 1 and I'll write few elements. This is my first array. Same way, I will create one more array. I'll name this array as numbers 2. My second array is ready. Now I have two arrays, numbers 1 and numbers 2. To combine two arrays, we are going to make use of LINKUSE_UNION method, and this method combines arrays without duplicate values. To combine two arrays, I will declare one more array, integer array, and I will name it as numbers. To combine two arrays, take first array, that is numbers 1 is our first array, then use union and pass numbers 2. We are getting error because return type of union method is IEnumerable, but we are expecting integer array, so we are getting error. To fix this error, we can convert this to array by using toArray method. We are done. Now it is time to test. Now we are going to print these arrays. To print these arrays, I'll create a method that will help me to print these arrays. I'll create private. I want this to be a static method and I don't want to return anything, and I'll name this array as print array, and this method will take integer arrays, and here inside this method I'm going to print the elements. I will make use of for each loop and I'll pass instead of collection I will say numbers. Here we can make use of console.write method and I will write item. Now let's print all the three arrays. I'm printing array 1, then array 2 and merged array. In this array, if you notice here 11 is common in both the arrays, then 44 is common in both the arrays and 33 is common in both the arrays. Our merged array should not have duplicate values. It should have all the values only once. Let's test this array. This is our output. First array, here we have few elements. Second array, then if you look at the merged array, we do not have any duplicate values. In programming, we can achieve same goal with multiple ways. What I have shown you is the simplest way to merge two arrays without duplicate values. I hope the session was useful. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.